Patrick, where's your gun? Oh, that's your belly. There's your eye. Oh, uh-oh. Are you shooting Mommy? Come over here. Oh. What you doing? I know, I turned the light off. The light's not on it anymore. Why? We just didn't need it. Are you looking for your pappies? What? What is he doing? Is he looking for his pacifiers, I think. John Patrick, are you looking for your paps? Where did they go? You don't know? I don't think they're under there. I think they're behind Mommy's back. I don't know where they are. They don't look like they're under there. Where are they? Where are they, John Patrick? I don't know where they went. I don't know where they went. Let's see if this is what he's looking for. Where did they go? I don't know. John Patrick, what's on the table? Did you find them? Where did they go?
He's gone crazy. He lost it. He flipped out.
Where did they go? Wait, John Patrick, what are these on the table? Look on the table. Look on the table, John Patrick. John Patrick, look on the table. No, not under the table. Where are they? Did you put them under the table?
Yeah. Look.
Look under the table. Where did...
Now he's just messing with us.
Are they? Look under the table, John Patrick. John Patrick, look under the table. I think he's playing a game now. I think he just likes to say go. Is he delirious?
He's definitely putting a show on.
He is putting on a show. This is kind of becoming a boring video. He keeps doing the same stuff.
Uh-oh.
Look under the table. Look under here. See if there's anything under there. Did you find it? Yeah, or was it right there? Oh, wow, we threw those. Where did they go?